Hello, my dear friends. I'm glad to see you. Today we have an unusual lesson. We're going to visit one of the brightest and most colorful places in the world. It's the Kingdom of Rainbow. Do you know why we are going there? Of course you know. The theme of our lesson is colors. Do you know the colors in a rainbow? Let's revise them. Please pay close attention to how they are pronounced. Look at the screen. What can you see? What's the first color in a rainbow? You are absolutely right. It's red. Let's say it together. Red. It's a red apple. Well done. What's the second color? Yes, it's orange. Repeat, please. Orange. It's an orange pencil. Well done. What's the third color? It's yellow. And repeat. Yellow. It's a yellow pen. Well done. Let's have a look at the next color. It's green. And let's repeat. Green. It's a green kite. Do you like to fly a kite? I like it too. Let's look at the screen again. The next colors are light blue and blue. They are brothers. Let's repeat. Blue, light blue. It's a light blue pencil. It's a blue book. Great! Which is the next color? Yes, it's purple. Let's repeat. Purple. It's a purple crayon. What other colors do you know? Look at the screen. These are white, gray, and black. Let's repeat. White, gray, black. If you mix white and black, you get gray. Very well done. We're coming to the end, but let's remember two more colors. That's brown. Repeat, please. Brown. It's a brown box. And the last picture. Look at it carefully. It's a favorite color for some girls. Pink. Repeat. Pink. It's a pink doll. Well done. Now let's repeat all the colors. Yellow, green, blue, red, orange, purple, brown, pink, gray, black, white. Great! Now look at the screen. When we only have one object, we should ask, what color is it? And the answer to that question will be, it is. But if we have more than one object, we should ask, what color are they? And the answer will be, they are. That's the rule, and you should use it correctly. Let's practice together. How many apples can you see? 3. That means the question should be, what color are the apples? And the answer is, they are red. How many pens can you see? 1. What color is it? It's white. Well done. Let's try again. How many lemons can you see? 3. What color are the lemons? They are yellow. Great. How many caps do you see? 1. What color is the cap? It is green. Bravo! You are all so good. Now you can read and pronounce colors correctly. You can ask questions about the color of one or several objects, and you can answer those questions. You are brilliant. But I need to go now. See you later. Bye-bye.